Hello everybody! Happy Easter! And to those of you who don't celebrate Easter, I wish you a lovely spring day, because here is just gorgeous. The garden got into a hurry this week. It warmed up and all sorts of things have been happening. The fruit blossoms are out, the tulips are up. Sadly, the daffodils are gone, which really is, a reminder that you have to appreciate flowers while they're in blossom because they don't last forever. I'm very excited because this is a peach blossom, and the peach self-seeded from my neighbor's garden, and then I transplanted it into a pot and let it grow bigger, and then I transplanted it into the ground, and for the first year I have some blossoms. How exciting. And also today is a day to reap the rewards of one's labors. I'm going to go and pick vegetables in my vegetable garden. This is to inspire you to grow your own food. I cannot recommend it enough. It's such a wonderful, rewarding experience. And then to eat fresh vegetables that you've grown yourself, it's just amazing. Right, I've got 3 leeks. And what are these bits of plastic doing in my garden, you ask? Well, they're 5-liter water bottles. I cut the bottoms off and I'm using them as cloches to protect lettuce, because we still have frosts at the moment. And then next to these water bottles, this is kale, green kale and purple sprouting kale. Look at that. I'm cutting these big leaves off, and there are some little leaves just waiting to take its place. Okay, off to get some broccoli. Whoa. And same here, I've got some purple sprouting broccoli. You can see their purple stems there. And then some regular green broccoli. And maybe you didn't realize, but the little green tips of the broccoli, those are blossoms just about to open. And look, here they have opened. Pretty little yellow flowers. I also need some rosemary for the roast. And look at that, it's coming into blossom. My basket is full. How wonderful. Oh, I love spring. Happy Easter, everyone.